Hi, today I'll show you how to install Transmission BT4 and client+server on your QNAP with the help of a Q package that I have developed. This will eventually use the QNAP's container station to create a container. But the good thing is, since you're using Q package as a wrapper, you will only have to click and you will not have to do any of the settings in the container station itself. So to do that, first we need to make sure that we go to App Center, click on settings, and ensure that we allow the installation of any package without a valid digital signature also. What it means is that there are two kind of packages, basically packages which are certified by QNAP to be safe, and those which are not certified by QNAP to be safe. My package is not certified by QNAP, which means that once you do that, you have an extra responsibility to make sure that you trust the package, right? Second thing is, you need to make sure that your container station is installed and ready to use, because this is what we are going to use to eventually create the container. Then go to my GitHub repository and look at package routines, which is basically the source code. And you can see that there's nothing here that can actually harm your QNAP. If you want, you can feed it into ChatGPT, for example, and ask if there's anything that could harm your QNAP. Is an easy way to do so. What we do is basically we just use this this image from Linux server with the tag 4.2.6. We pull this image down and then use it to create a container. That's all it does, right? So click on Transmission Q package, click on raw, and your download starts, right? So now you have made sure you have container station. We have made sure that we have allowed the installation of unsigned packages, and we have Q package. That's all we need. Click on install manually, browse to the place where you had downloaded your Q package and click on install. QNAP will again give you the warning that this doesn't have a valid digital signature, so it might be a harmful package. Say that you understand the risk and click on install. Now we need to wait for it to install. This will take a little, because this has to pull the image also from Docker Hub. So okay, 75%. We have to wait a while. One good thing with this is that we are going to mount all the share that are there on your QNAP to your transmission container. So later on, when you access your web UI, you'll be able to very easily specify where you want your torrents to go. Okay, so app has been installed. We close it, and you see here transmission. It's already installed. This yellow sticker that you see means that there is no digital signature on this. Click on it, click on open, and it takes you to the transmission's web UI. Now we have protected this web UI, and the username and password you can find in the readme.md on my repository, which is here. QNAP transmission is the username, and transmission password is the password. So I'll quickly copy and paste it. And once you do that, this is your interface. Now you can this is the entire server running on your QNAP now, so you can give it to your sonar or radar or whatever else that you might want to do with this. And I will also take a moment to show you, if I search for container station, the container that was created. So in the backend, what it did was it actually created this container. You see this container was created with the Q package. That's all. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comment box, and I'll try to reply as soon as I can. Thank you.